Mama akwaba wafreme ajwa search name mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me our notification bell also for more news.
Oh, nti what and the DSTV or how call retirement cry nye home because with my history channel with my but me bibi kakra metimi dey aboa a footstool especially to the younger generation na omo feel say politics no there me hu binum suman kakra e no mo na me say be any die ni bro cry em fa man penifo. This party has a hierarchy. Ne binum sacrifice ansa na ebedru ba bi ebedru so tie yie na president bi ba no so mu say we akola omu so we potential to do si wa e no nche say wo slim penifo na ye adwuma no ansa na obefa no but ebinum suban ye kasa ye ne ye hadwen. But I do hope say Bawumia na mu hu ne sa no o man proceed ne ofri wale it's not it no sakasaka na ni ade no te o sa to be friend sakasaka show boy no say very president very firm and some difficult decisions will be taken. So Intimidate kakra meka na obizu kan dollarization say maybe be in dollar wrong. Say free government to say free phone. You can peg it to the dollar but give a CD equivalent at a particular time. So important say as a country no we should have confidence in our currency. Na asema na make can because ebinum timi to collection na yakost $1 na dey ato. Every Sunday we are to collection. So there's exceeding pressure on the CDA any link to the economy. In fact binum from Nigeria better dollar because our system, our whole regulatory system of the forex regime is weak. Forex bureaus they are supposed to be licensed forex bureaus. So they should be hooked on a platform with a central bank who should know every transaction and why it is being transacted. Because Udru America, ne, Udru Airport, na ukra pounds, now so se sent to dollar, your passport. Obabede na obeye, ehe na okotra, ne ade. Ene nkrofo jejina kwa airport ni Osu Oxford Street, ena omo $1. I mean, there's breakdown. And there, I think that there should be enforcement first, discipline, and no. Why should you go to me? Yes, it be a $1 kakra the bank, but me feel says a bank is all my mean here. The bank is right. Name mum say be me here be there comma me nipa bi America me here dollar na me dey try ticket there. But my cash bank and say omuntua mami. That is what we should be doing, and that is what the law says. You can't be holding dollars in this country. It's not legal tender. Now, ya impose order. Now I know say Dr. Bawumia madwimu pa. One say politics no. Yeah, near many can't because it may not win you vote, but tough. But I'm very confident that he will restore some level of discipline in the forex management in this country.
Maybe it's our last question if you go around. Okan Bakubi say aka 3 months. Okan Bakubi say it's a very difficult election.
Yes.
My question: can Bawumia and MPP survive?
Oh, I think you will. I'm
at the end of my sir, I think I know.
Say my studio I can't say been to and I don't want to go back on that because I'm not someone who believes in politics of religion and ethnicity. But it is a fact that we have to confront with. The fact that we were able to elect Dr. Bawumia, the first time in our history.
As MPP, you mean? As
MPP, even the country has not elected a Muslim leader before. Both parties.
That's true.
So, NDC from 92, the Betuaba, Omo propaganda is super. We are saying, and they said, "Wemo, it's antifu party. Omo mobia."
I'm not you. Okay.
Coming home. Omo mobia. So, now Omo kozongo dia na west because Omo sako kai om 92 no Omo start Omo say aliens compliance order. Grofono ba de buzi apam no mbasa be pamo. Enti mpenifo na no manyini kakra na Omo kai the pain they went through. Enti ema their natural gravitation of the Zongos was to the NDC. And it has carried on a reduced kakra, but it's still embedded and yet easy. Entina, Emma, former president confidence or can say, I'm sir. We say, Nini, I can talk about me. Obey using a damn so casa.
Yeah.
Nobody believed. Fifi Kwete also repeated the same thing. Said MPP will never give an ordinary a chance as the leader of our party. 61% did so, which is the highest any first-time presidential aspirant has garnered. In Tiusha, in spite of Kwame the Okase resentment in that resentment is not at Dr. Bawumia. He's a very well-liked personality across board. In fact, unya presidential candidate obia o party no e kan ho asem party se wono. Omo buafu system no say ene ma bi omo all say the okay didi ade. So that places him in a special and the way also related wabo ni pass so pa 60 years no we're using the year because sometimes when you are given a platform it's how you use it. You mosques wabo won for aboma scholars akwa brochire ekosua de be doctors free zongos ne ade so ni nyina wabo and sorry it doesn't matter so you Christian so you hwan wabo ni pa ye nam yi nkrofo na edi ni ho dance na wuti di ni ho dance. It is a big weapon na NDC one. We have disarmed them of a major chunk of their campaign propaganda. Because you see, the Zongo boy ne dinabano, Munya ne dinabano, Sakasaka show boy ne dinabano. So who them shown. And no, I'm confident say areas are no go for MPP no. And then we are eating into it. I'm not saying we are going to take it over, but at least we are fighting them on their turf. Places like Bruno East and Kahoy Demaya Pano. And they don't be preso gidi power because of that. So, and then all the areas I know they do very well, even in Ashanti, Greater Accra, are similar, have similar demographics. And to me, a confidence, obey me a room, even so, both room 40% of NDC, not the Bekai, and he stands in a very good position to win this election. I think he will do 53%. Around 53%.
ABC said, you know, a Bosim Kadodo. Na anya modest, he will not get more than 50%. About 51%.
Well, say it close. It doesn't matter.
Yes, see, I am say, aye, abing.
Obianka, Sama Menka. Omun Sisi, a cut 3 months. A lot of things can change. In politics, 1 week is a very long time. Party loyalty no the mess party for Kwame say nipa can be brave and I don't want to go back into history, but party is bigger than any individual. Do aba oko me boss J Kufo waba oko President Akufo-Addo Akano a few months no one support the party remains. Party no any single individual be there